In a distressing development, an explosion has rocked the capital city of Afghanistan, Kabul. Reports from authorities confirm that at least 7 civilians have tragically lost their lives, with 20 others sustaining injuries. This incident unfolded on a fateful Tuesday in the Dasti Barchi area located in the western part of the city. Although the exact cause of the explosion remains shrouded in mystery, local law enforcement has already launched an investigation as confirmed by Khalid Zardan, a police spokesperson. At present, no individual or group has come forward to claim responsibility for this devastating attack. The entire region of attack has experienced a surge in violence, primarily attributed to militant groups following the Taliban's assumption of power in Afghanistan back in August 2021. In a related incident earlier this October, a bomb blast struck a mosque in the northern Afghan city of Polykhormi, which serves as the capital of Baghlan province. This tragic event resulted in a significant number of casualties as reported by the news agency AFP. The precise nature of the incident remained unclear. Since 2021, prominent attacks have been done on diplomatic missions, government buildings in Kabul, and the assassinations of 2 provincial governors as per the report. The United Nations had highlighted earlier that IS's objective was to provoke sectarian conflict and destabilize the region, and noted that the group has carried out over 190 suicide attacks since 2022, resulting in the injury or death of more than 1,300 people. In the face of these tragic and concerning developments, the safety and well-being of people in Afghanistan remain a pressing issue. It underscores the need of sustained security efforts and international attention.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.